everyone, I am Samuel Justin and today I will make Ube Cheese Pandesal. We are going to use 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup bread flour, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla flavoring, 1 teaspoon ube powder, 1 teaspoon ube flavoring, 1/2 cup oil, 1 cup milk, 2 teaspoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 egg. First, warm the milk. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And the dry yeast and stir. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes until the yeast is alive. The yeast is alive when you see it will rise on top of the milk. While waiting for the milk yeast mixture, combine the dry ingredients. The dry ingredients are the all-purpose flour, bread flour, sugar, salt, ube powder. Mixture sets, mix it to your dry ingredients. Then add the remaining wet ingredients. This includes oil, vanilla, ube flavoring, and egg. Now I will add the milk yeast mixture. And we need to mix it for 10 minutes or until smooth. The other way of doing this is by kneading the dough. If you knead the dough, you need to put a small amount of oil in your hands, because the dough is a bit sticky. But for me, I will just mix it with the spatula because kneading the dough with your hands is a little bit messy. When done kneading, oil your bowl so your dough won't stick. Then cover it with a cling wrap and wait for 1.5 hours until your dough rises. The dough should double its size. The dough should be covered like this. Now we will wait for 1.5 hours. Dough double its size, then it's time for us to shape the pandesal. We will put cheese and ube jalaya inside the pandesal. Look at this dough. A while ago, this size is small. Now it doubled its size. I will punch it in the middle like this, so the air will come out. On. Now it is time for us to shape it. I put small amount of flour. Cut it in the desired shape. And put cheese and jalaya in the middle of the dough. And we need to seal it like this. Dump it in the breadcrumbs. We need to put the pandesal inside the oven but without turning it on. The pandesal should sit inside the oven for 1 hour before baking. The pandesal should increase its size. We can turn on the oven and bake it for 15 to 18 minutes. The temperature should be 175 to 180 degrees Celsius. After 18 minutes, we could remove the pandesal in the oven. Hot, then half it like this. Because I am just a kid, I cannot partner this with coffee. That's why I will partner it with fresh milk. Now it's time for me to taste it. Yummy! Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something from my video. Try it. It is really delicious and soft. I hope I can share this to you guys. If it's face to face, I will share it to you. Thank you and God bless. Bye.